turn some lights on in here, man. Shut up over there.
Warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and large hail from 5 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor to 15 nautical miles southwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 15 knots. Seek safe harbor immediately. A severe thunderstorm